Stop using ugly pitch deck. In this video, I will show you a clean minimalist PowerPoint design that instantly make your slide looks modern, premium and investor ready. Let's start by inserting a picture from your device. Right click on the slide, go to format background and pick a matching color using the eyedropper. This creates a perfectly balanced background. Next, go to insert, choose table and add a simple text table. Adjust the table layout like this. Change the color to black and increase its size. Now select each table cell one by one and gradually increase the transparency, starting from 10 up to 90%. This subtle contrast gives the slide a clean, layered look. Insert a text box and type growth. Change the text color to white. Select Arial Black and increase the font size. Set the spacing to loose. Then go to Text Effect, choose Transform and apply a subtle curve. Align it to the middle and slightly increase transparency for a soft modern feel. Now duplicate the slide. On the first slide, select the table, reduce its size and move it outside the slide. Do the same with the text and the image, shifting them outside the slide area. On the second slide, go to Transition and apply Morph. Finally, go back to the first slide and start the slideshow. In just few steps, you have created a minimalist pitch deck slide that looks clean, professional and perfect for startups, business deck or investor presentation. If you want more modern PowerPoint design ideas, hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Comment minimal if you want this slide file or more pitch deck design. See you in the next video.